everyone! Today we are going to be doing a holiday hairstyle inspired video. We're going to do 3 hairstyles, all of them which I normally wear around the holidays. Take a section of your hair. I keep normally the bangs out because I like it framing my face. Fasten that section off. Put your finger through half, twist that ponytail through and tighten it. So repeat that twice more. Now that you have those crazy 3 twists, take the first one, stick it through the whole of this second one. You take both the top ones and you're going to put it through the loop of the third. Pull the parts apart so it makes it look a little bit more elegant and full. Finish it up with curling the rest of my hair. So start with a braid, but I will not be picking up from the bottom. I am only picking up from the top. Do that all the way till I reach the back of my head. Repeat that on this side. Take both of them, pull them to the back, fasten them with one of the elastics. Pull out every individual part of the braid. Makes it look a little bit more elegant and full. Take the hair that's down and twist it and wrap it around to cover the ponytail. So I'm going to do a diagonal braid all the way down. Take another elastic, and as you know, I like to pull my braids out, so I'm just going to take the time right now to pull apart the entire braid, making it look a little bit more elegant. Pull all my hair to the left side of my head, and I'm going to put it in a ponytail just like this. Once again, just pull apart the braid. Last step is taking a piece of hair, and I like to cover my elastic, so I'll twist the hair and then I will just wrap it around the elastic. Fasten it with a bobby pin. That completes my holiday hairstyle inspired video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.